Hello and welcome to an absolutely cracking morning here in beautiful Nova Scotia. The sun is shining, blazing away behind me. It's only about 7:30 in the morning, but I'm out in the veg patch inspecting all my different plants, see what's going on, see what strawberries behind me there are ready to be picked. But I'm also here at the garlic patch, and this is very nearly ready to harvest. And one of the ways I can tell that it's very nearly ready to harvest is these little babies here, garlic scapes, or basically the start of a garlic flower. And once they form and then turn over like this, so basically turning themselves round in a circle like so, you can tell that they're ready to cut off really. And why do we want to cut them off? Well, by keeping this flower on here, the garlic will put all its energy into producing the flower. So we want to cut this flower off because it's no good. We want the bulb, don't we? So we want to cut this garlic scape off about here, like that, and then the garlic will put all its energy into the bulb itself. And then this is going to be about another month now before it's actually ready to harvest, and it will start to brown off the leaves, and that's when you'll know it's ready to harvest. But these garlic scapes, so don't discard them. They are actually very useful in the kitchen. They're rather delicious. You can make sort of hummus out of them. You can make garlic scape pesto, as you can see on the little picture there that I've got. Very delicious. You can chop them up and put them in dishes, and it gives you a sort of a garlicky flavour. If you eat these sort of raw, it's got quite a hot kick to it. So a very good little addition and bonus from the garlic plant. But chop them off now if you haven't chopped them off already, especially when they're in this sort of circle bit. And your garlic will be putting all its energy into the bulb, and you'll have big fat garlics bulbs in the next few weeks. Job's a good one.